Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to purchase a UC in Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows purchase failed, payment error, please try again later. So one more time I try to purchase this UC but again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, log out your Facebook or Google account linked with this Battlegrounds Mobile India by simply tap this up arrow mark and go to settings and click to log out and close this Battlegrounds Mobile India. And sometimes this issue occurs due to the payment method is not set in Google Play Store. So just check it if you enter the valid payment method or not. So how to do it? So just open your Google Play Store and then press your Gmail profile picture icon and go to payments and subscriptions. So next I try to access payment methods. So here I already added some payment methods. But if you like to add the new one, just select a payment method as credit or debit card or net banking or pay with UPI. So for example, here I try to add the UPI method. So I select enter UPI ID. So here you can enter your valid UPI ID and click to continue. And my payment method is successfully added to this payment section. So just close this Play Store. And one more time, you can try to open that Battlegrounds Mobile India. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.